Check it out, guys. It's really, really clean. There's something special about this one for to be in the US. You can see from the tag. It's a 1997 VW GTI 16 valve. 16 valve. So they're not made in the USA, all right? If you know, you know. And it is right-hand drive, guys. Check it out. It's really cool. So it's still got the factory converter, factory resonator. Then the muffler and pipe rotted out, as you guys can see there. Just old, you know? So we said, straight pipe it. He's like, okay, I can do a muffler delete. So we cut it off and did a muffler delete for him and installed a double tip because, you know, why not? Who cares? And I like how he did the Florida tag on top of the German tag. And look at that. Allen Day Motor Company in London. But it's a GTI 16 valve Golf. You do not see these in the US too much. It's really cool. It was imported. But there's the stock muffler, was all rotted out too. So we took it out. Okay guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you hear it. And like always guys, what do they need to do, Jared?
Like, comment, subscribe.
And what else, Juan?
Subscribe!
So look at this, guys. Hold on, keep it open. It is a 4-door. It's even cooler because it's got a guitar in it too. Why not? I like it. Look at this thing. It is mint. Hey, Weezer. Take your girlfriend, drive left-handed, and yeah. And Juan's boots, army boots. Juan, how do you feel inside this vehicle?
Discombobulated.
Discombobulated. But it's clean, guys, for the year and make. It's awesome. I'm gonna let you guys hear it now. Here we go. Look at the rust coming out. The old rust we cut out. It's not too loud, it's perfect. Gives it a little bit of a tone. Here's sound decibels. Eight. That sounds good. Yeah, that tip fits it perfectly too. GTI Golf 16 valve. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh wait, I gotta go on the other side. Inside joke. Do you hear that? They're only in Europe, the 16 valve, guys. I was just talking with them, which is awesome. Look at this thing, it's mint, guys. He's also got a Land Cruiser, believe it or not, a 1993 Land Cruiser that is diesel, that his wife drives. That is freaking awesome. Like literally, really awesome. Look at this thing. Enjoy it, guys. I love the stuff we get in here. There she goes.